Hi, my name is Andrew Faber, though I will be going by Mr. Faber for right now. The reason I am dressed up in such a fashion is because I am going to be conducting an experiment with you. Yes, indeed, we're going to be mixing some things together to create something new. Now, what we are going to be mixing together is three things ultimately, but the first two things we're going to mix together is an acid first, which most of you are going to know as vinegar. The second ingredient that we're going to mix together is a base called baking soda. Now, many of you may have done this experiment where you mix vinegar and baking soda together. However, we are not going to be just looking at the reaction of it. We're going to look at one of the byproducts that it creates after the reaction is done. That product that we're going to be looking at is called carbon dioxide, the stuff that we breathe out. Now, carbon dioxide is invisible, so for us to actually see the product that we make, we're going to need to see another reaction to the carbon dioxide. And lucky for us, there's an excellent reaction that would happen. You see, when you pour carbon dioxide on a flame such as this, then you will actually burn it out. And so we're going to do that, although we're not going to do it with this one because, as you can tell, it is not, in fact, a real candle. No, instead we're going to take a real live candle, not just a real live candle, but 3 wicks of a real live candle, 3 wicks of a real live candle that has the lovely scent of Caribbean salsa, and we are going to burn them out with the carbon dioxide that we will create today. Fascinating. I can tell you're all so excited. Alright, so here we go. We got our 3 candles lit. We're going to let it cook a little bit while we mix together our ingredients. So, here is where we'll mix our ingredients together in this lovely little beaker. We're going to go ahead and mix about 50 milligrams, that's what it is, milligrams of baking soda in there, and that is probably not right, it's not milligrams, but whatever, we're going to mix that little cupful of baking soda in there, and then we're going to do 50 milliliters-ish of vinegar, and we're going to mix that in there. So here comes the vinegar, and there we see our lovely reaction of what we would normally see. And now we don't have vinegar and baking soda anymore. No. We have 2 other products. We have carbon dioxide and we have sodium acetate, I believe, in there. Now, the reason I know that carbon dioxide is there is because carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. It sinks when we breathe out. Then it falls down towards the ground. It doesn't actually float up all over the air. So we have the carbon dioxide trapped in here, lovely like that, and what we're going to do is we are going to in fact pour it into the candles and burn them out. We won't pour any of the sodium acetate in because some people might think that's cheating by pouring something wet in, so we're going to go ahead and do that. But here I see that my lovely Caribbean salsa candle, one of them has already gone out, so I'm going to light the 3rd one again before we continue on with this experiment. You can see all 3 are lit. Alright, so here we go. We have our 3 candles that are lit. Watch carefully as I pour the carbon dioxide from the beaker into the candles. And as you can tell, very clearly, no sodium acetate was poured into the candles, just carbon dioxide, and we were successfully able to burn out the candles with our brand new carbon dioxide. Fantastic. Now, of course, the way that you're normally going to blow out candles is not with homemade carbon dioxide by doing this. But now you know another alternate way to burn out your candles in case you were ever wondering. Please leave me a message below. Let me know what you thought about this experiment, if it was fascinating to you, if it was boring to you, and please let me know of other experiments that you might like to see or that you have done before, something that would be exciting. I do love to mix things together, and I would love to share other videos like this with you as well. Thank you, and have a great day.